Hello. So here I am. It is 3:40 a.m. on Tuesday, June 15th. I've been through the knee replacement. And also I'm sitting here with this light on top of me, giving me total light, which is totally washing out whatever hair I have left. I really hate down light, top light. Things are going very well. The staff here at Monmouth Medical Center were great, and the process of getting in and having the spinal, no problem at all. Woke up and was told, haven't seen the doctor yet because everything was delayed a little bit. I went in about an hour and a half late, and by the time I got out and woke up, it was almost 6 o'clock, so there was no visit from the doctor yet. But he did call my girlfriend, who relayed to me afterwards that everything went extremely well. And I do think a lot of that has to do with just how I take care of myself, how I eat. When they took my blood, the nurse mentioned, wow, that's one heck of a flow of blood, veins were great. So, I think the more that you eat, the good proteins and lots of vegetables, and stay away from the bad carbs, that's going to help your body. But anyway, pain, which everyone talks about, has been minimal. I'm very surprised and very happy about it. So far, I've only been on Tylenol. I do find there was tiny bit of pain in which I found out later was where they put the tourniquet on to stop the blood flow in your leg. And first they put me on oxycodone, so I had just one dose of that. But after that, it's been all Tylenol, and I find as long as I don't move my leg, everything is great. If I adjust it and shake it around, then you'll feel a little bit, but right now, everything is good. I know there's a lot of painkillers in there, so maybe a little bit, tomorrow or the day after, who knows. I think it's supposed to get a little bit worse at that point, but, we shall see. But to work with the pain, I've been doing a lot of it's hard to say, visualization. I did study ideokinesis with Andre Bernard, and maybe somebody knows who he is, when I did my grad work at NYU, and that whole idea of the thought process and relaxing the body that comes from that method. And I've been doing that in my left leg, my operated leg, to completely try to relax it, and that I think is helping. Also, I've been visualizing, the blood flow towards the joint, and I've been visualizing the bones healing, going from a cut bone to a healed bone. And the incision, I've been visualizing that coming together, joining together, and even like zipping together as in a zipper from one end to the other. But as long as I stay very calm, which I think I need to do, and let the body mend and don't move, it seems to be doing fine. So the nurse was just in, she took blood, I had my blood pressure taken, and she put a new Tylenol into the IV. So that's what it's been so far. I did not get up. Normally they get you up a couple hours afterwards, but again, because it was so late, physical therapy wasn't there, so we'll do that tomorrow. But that's the plan, so hopefully if that goes well, I'll actually be discharged and head on home. So that's it. Past the first major hurdle, and very happy. Everyone keeps coming in and asking me, how's your pain level? How's your pain level? And hey, I'm a 1 to 2, and that's good. So hopefully it's going to stick, right? Oh, I do have a little bit of numbness still on the ball of my left foot. It's in a circle. It's very strange. The ball of my left foot and my right thumb, the tip of my right thumb, which is right here, has a light tingle to it too. But otherwise, everything is fine. I've been having sleep, but not like totally sleep. It's more like meditation sleep with a lot of dreams and thinking of things. And maybe I'll talk about that in another video, because this one's going to get too long. But I've thought about a lot of things about my life and replaying things and going over and trying to understand things in good ways, not bad ways. And, that's pretty good too. You're really stopped from everything you're doing in life, running around and being so in the present of life. And here, like, everything is stopped. And I'm just here with my body. And other things are coming out that I'm thinking of. So that's a cool idea and a revealing idea. Putting things together in my mind. So that's a cool thing too. So anyway, so far so good. Yeah. I'll be back maybe tomorrow after I get home, or maybe the walk. Maybe I can get something on the walk tomorrow. That'll be cool too. So that's it. All right. Okay. I'll talk to you soon. This is Bob Boross. This is my jazz and tap dance life. Yeah. Now finally ending with a knee replacement. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.